Global.
Now, all right, bro. Now, you know, you really go hard too with the music. I ain't gonna lie. Like, I ain't heard like a bad verse from you.
For sure. So.
Whenever when I did tap in with you, I tapped in early, bro. I seen the video you, and I was really like, damn, you really hard. You know what I'm saying? But it's kind of like you fell off, like the rap for a little bit. What's that about?
Shit, bro, and he got 2 kids, baby mama. I'm doing this shit by myself, you know what I'm saying? My baby mama staying home, shit, and he rent $1,500, nigga, you know what I'm saying? Shit, nigga got a dress, you know what I'm saying? Nigga, I had some clothes, nigga, you know what I'm saying? Shit, but nah, yeah, it's your priorities. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be ready when you're ready. I wasn't ready then. I thought I was, you know what I'm saying? But shit, I am now for sure.
For sure. Now, how important do you think the bloggers are in rap today?
When they be asking about gatekeepers, they're really the gatekeepers, you know what I'm saying? Like, I mean, shit, you need to get on the blog for people to see you. You can't just post yourself on your, you know what I'm saying, on your own shit and expect 100,000 folks to see you, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, no, for sure. Now, who are some of your music influences?
Skipper! Yeah, nah, I couldn't play it, nah, but yeah, shit. Really, bro, I'm straight up, Gucci, Scooter, Migo, shit, and then the team, shit, you know what I'm saying? My brother really, you know what I'm saying, started spitting that hot shit, and then, you know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, come here, D, come show these niggas, come here, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Big LX, Big Dumb Dot, you know what I'm saying? That's the team, nigga. This my brother, nigga. We started together, you know what I'm saying? We eat together, you know what I'm saying? I'ma just show that, you know what I'm saying? That big bro, you know what I'm saying? He started this shit, but he gonna finish it off. No rap.
Yeah, for sure. Now, shit, bro. You also got a lot of features.
Yeah.
In the DFW, you know what I'm saying? Like, who's some features we could expect, you know what I'm saying? Or something like that people wouldn't know that you done work with, some people you done work with.
Damn, which one I say? Nah, cause that one ain't for sure.
That's
I got somebody, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, shout out Queen and that thing, you know what I'm saying? Tapped in and lost, you know what I'm saying? Got me a player price, you know what I'm saying? Tapped in with the city over there, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I got something with Queen and that thing coming this shit hard. You know what I'm saying? It's you heard I'm Sorry, Miss Jackson? Yeah, it's a
remake.
Yeah.
Okay, for sure. Shit. Double?
Damn, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Shout out BL, you know what I'm saying? North Egg, you know what I'm saying? Yeah,
man. Shout out to the egg, man. Hey, well, let me ask you about that.
Hold on, free Mad Max, you know what I'm saying? I ain't even cap on y'all on the same song, yeah, you know what I'm saying? I had to go tap out there with them folks.
For sure. Hey, did you catch Rainwater interview?
I ain't watched it. I ain't watched it, but I seen them little snippets and.
Yeah, what you think about what he said when he said Arlington is the most dangerous city?
Bro, chill, fam. Damn, bro. I mean, shit, bro. Look, I ain't just look. Them folks. Bro, it's real niggas everywhere, fam. Next.
All right, man. Man, just so you could just say I don't want to answer the question.
Hey, I answered it.
Yeah. For sure. Now, shit, bro. You know, in the city, bro, we kind of like. I feel like that is the DFW in the whole got a lot of spotlight right now. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot of people coming up. There's a lot of people watching. Now, what you think about the scene right now?
It's smooth, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I know a lot of the, you know what I'm saying, know of a lot of the young niggas coming up, so shit, I mean, it's smooth, you know what I'm saying? But shit, really what need to be done though, underground Dallas boxing match, well on good, a whole tournament, well on God, get out there with these, well on good, but you is not good with these hoes at all. You not touching nothing, fat nigga with the speed. Not touching nothing. We do gloves, bare hand, USC, them boppets, but them big guns, bow, push a nigga, hey, with the Wayne. Boy, that hoe stiff, boy. Hold on, y'all ever, you know the Wayne, the nigga with the stiff ass arm in the hood, but it for real. But yeah, that shit gonna clear out a lot of that fuck shit, but like on a serious note, that shit gonna clear out all them pussies, you know what I'm saying, that really ain't about that shit. And then we can go to these, y'all want that, but you know what I'm saying, no, that's on
Yeah.
Finger bang.
Nerf guns.
Yeah, for sure. So.
Paintball.
Yeah, paintball guns, all that.
Yeah. But now, like for the people, you know what I'm saying, just now tapping in, who, you know what I'm saying, really don't know you. You know what I'm saying? Like, what do you say to the people that, you know, that might want to fuck with you?
Shit, tap in, bro. Shit, you know what I'm saying? You know, either go one or two ways, you know what I'm saying? We make it out or we don't. You know what I mean? Shit, so. Shit, if you real, I'ma fuck with you. And if you ain't getting the feature back or you ain't hear back from me, then yeah, I see the flaws, Jack. For real.
So now how important do you think it is to work with other artists?
Very important. Very important. But you gotta watch out who you work with, you know what I'm saying? Because at that point, you might catch somebody that, you know what I'm saying, that ratted out here, you know what I'm saying? Jack Harlow doing that weird ass gay shit. Now he got a song with Pooh Shiesty, and I know Shiesty probably didn't go for that, you know what I'm saying? But that you gotta watch out who you do it with, because it's them weirdos that's gonna ruin that reputation, you know what I'm saying?
So now the baby is going through what he's going through in the media right now. They say they're trying to cancel the baby. Did you see, you know what I'm saying, what he said?
Yes.
What did you think about that?
Keep, know what I'm saying? Next question.
Got nothing to do with us.
For sure.
Come around here.
Nothing to do with us.
Nah, for real.
For sure. Now shit, you know, Boosie throwing the goddamn Boosie Bash again, you know what I'm saying, Baton Rouge. When you go check it out.
Hell, y'all, what? Boosie? But, anyway, say it, man. What? Let me get stamped by Boosie. Boosie, you watch this shit? Hey, the really white boy coming out this bitch, boy, no rap, boy. Tap in with me. Hit the den. We in no rap.
Nah, for sure.
There.
I said, bro, what can the people expect from Ginn Lee?
A lot of music, shit, content. I'm gonna make y'all that laugh, cry, you know what I'm saying? Want more, all that shit, nigga, you know what I'm saying? But shit, you gotta stay tapped in, shit. We on the road, Jack. We ain't never come back. You know, so.
Tell people where they can follow and find you.
Shit, bitches Ginn Lee gotta put the K before the B, you know what I'm saying? And shit, that's everywhere, you know what I'm saying? Ginn Lee 6-0, Big Roller, neighborhood.
Oh, nah, before I let you go, bro, what do you think about Charleston White?
Bro, what?
That nigga's a clown.
Is this how on right? Yeah.
Big elephant.
Can you tell that it's me still? Can I say what up? Nah, he just gonna have to hit the DMs. But yeah, nah, this is not Ginn Lee talking. Fuck that pussy ass nigga. Yeah, okay. But what he do be saying though, it real. But fuck him, cause I know he gonna come for me, so I'm gonna say it first.